Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I got my Ranger ink Dialog mystery bag, which is a delusion line by Diane Riley. I bought 3. I did have a video of me opening it, but guess what? I don't know what happened, but yeah. I'm still working up the kinks and the new setup here. So, we got... Each pack included 3 glue sticks. I've never used her glue sticks. The one thing I've probably never bought of hers was her glue sticks. So we're going to see how well they do with it when I open them. So we got 3 of them. Everything was the same in all 3 packs. But I will say this. I do use her products and I do use what I got. So that was close. So we got 3, of course, the clips, hearts. And then, where'd it go? Each pack came with a stick-it. Each pack, of course, with the clips. And I've taken these off and just glued them down. And then, of course, we got the covers. And I'm cool with that. Matter of fact, I'm awesome with that because, look at guys. Here's one I already have. You can put a lot in this, guys. Lots. This is during 2020. Yep. I usually do a yearly one. There's one more like this woman around somewhere. This is this year's I started. And then we got the insert book. This one's the ruled. And then we got the grid. That's the elastic bands, and you can see I got one here. And we got the stickers, which are awesome. And of course, I was so happy because this is the one bag I did not ever get of hers, was the long one. And I'm going to save one for Alley Cat, for she's got long paintbrushes, so I'm going to get her some new ones, and I'm going to put them in there and put it away for Christmas. Maybe put a thing of sticks in there. Who knows? You never know. So I was so stoked that I actually got the long bag. I think everybody's, what I've seen, is the same. And I'm going to show you. This is the black, but I just sold it because I do mixed media on mine. And then this one is the dots, so if anybody wants to know. And I think I got all of them. I mean, if you can tell, I followed along on a lot of her little stuff and current things that happened that year. And, you know, you can add a lot to these pages. So I'm trying to find one that, like, let's see. This was during the coronavirus. I did like April. I followed along with Diane. And Scott and our mask I made. And then some of her stickers. And they voted. They changed their voting. The line was going all the way around and then back up. But you can do little things like this in there, you know, like cutting them. I took a picture. I did on some of her courses. Let's see, flip out, flip up. Yeah. So you can have fun, like a flip out here. Yeah, a little cut. Just use your imagination, everybody. Mix medium up. So I got a blue one in here. So there is a purple one and a pink one somewhere. Probably, if it's not, because I know I have another, I think I have one or two more of these. So they probably have these in. I've used the inserts a lot. It's just handy to do small things. So I am very pleased. Why about 3? Because I could. Because I knew, like I said, I use them, so it's a good deal. It's well worth the money. So And who knows? I think they're not sold out yet, by the way, because I was looking last night because I was debating if I wanted to buy another one. But that's 6 books. That should get me through, and I usually try to put 3 to 4 books in each one, you know. So, and now this, what I'll do is on the outside, I'll put the year, and I didn't on this one. So, especially when you got duplicate covers. Yeah. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be crafty, and bye for now.